Professor. My name is Dimple Vishwamai Panchal, and today I will be presenting to my mathology chapter for my project. Uh, and focus and I focusing on project in AI powered recommendation system aimed at enhancing e-commerce personalization. And let's go to second slide. Yeah, here is the let's me begin to briefly recapping in research problem. Traditionally recommendations methods to fall short in delivery personalized and relevance to suggestions. This results in low customers satisfaction and engagements, and many business struggles to analyze vast amount to user data effectively, resulting in generic recommendations that do not meet individually preference. To I choose the design science research methodology for my project. To designs like science research to ideal because enhancing to interactive cycle of designing, implementation, evaluations, through which is the artificial can be continuously refined in response to empirical findings. Let's go to slide. Here is the research design and approach. So the design searching like design science research. uh, this approach is particularly suitable for creating and testing IT articles like AI recommendations engine, and it emphasizes problem solving through innovation design, and it aligns to well with the project goal to develop a smart recommendation uh, engine, and that enhancing user engagement to personalize in e-commerce. The straight of DSR lies to like design science research, lies to how to support refinement through imperial findings, which help to ensure that the final system is not only functional but effectively and user content. So data collection methods and app design methods. The project leverage a modern technology tag selected for its balance between flexibilities, performance, and case of integrations like front end. The built with React JS to create a responsive and component driven user to interface. Backend they built on Node.js with the Express.js framework to manage asynchronous API request, user authentications, and serve as an intermediate between the front end and database and AI components. Also, the database. So MongoDB is employed as the primary data store due to its schema-less document oriented nature, which adaptively handles the variety of data types including user profiles, product information, and user activity logs. And recommendation engine, so developed in Python to take advantage of its extensive ecosystem of machine learning libraries, data collection methods, and app design methods. The development will follow to an Angular methodology with 2 week sprints, supporting interactive progress and continuously feedbacks. Development development will be handled at cloud-based containerized environments such as AWS, and digital oceans such as Scale ensure high availabilities. So ethically perspective, so we are also taking two precautions to mitigate bias of recommendations. So these include careful pre-processing of training data to avoid unfair recommendations, and this is the data design and analysis strategy. So talk about the testing and evaluation. So until the testing for like it until the testing is the performed to individual components, and integration testing ensure proper communications between the front end, back end, and like database. So it performs testing, simulates concurrent users to validate system capabilities. To measure recommended quality, like we are using to root mean checker error for accuracy, and precise recall for relevance, conferring two suggested evaluation methods. So simulated user testing will be considering gain qualitative feedback to improve usability, and liabilities and mitigation strategy relies on synthetic data sets which can be mitigated through extensive research to uh, like obtain to real world data. Thank you, Professor.